In this video, we'll be creating movable jaw of pipe wrench. This component is designed to adjust and grip pipes of different size, working alongside the fixed jaw to provide a secure hold. The movable jaw enables the wrench to function effectively by allowing easy adjustments for various applications. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can use them to check dimension. You can also download the file. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Take top plane. Invoke line tool. From origin, vertically, draw a line of distance 40. And from the end of this line to left direction, draw a line of distance 76. Okay. Then from here, you can press and drag to draw an arc till here. Then from the end of this arc, you can draw another arc. Okay. From here, horizontal line of distance is 12. Then draw vertical line. Then from here, an arc. Okay. Till here. And line connecting to origin. Now we have closed sketch. We can give dimensions. Take dimension. Take dimension. Here, while drawing, we have given the dimensions. To rest, we will give radius is 35. And this radius 220. And here radius is 30. Okay. Now from here to this line, this width is 52. Okay. Now from here to the origin, this width, it is 113. Okay, here we have to give tangent constraint. Now our sketch is fully constrained. We can extrude. Invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected. In direction is symmetric. And extrude it to distance 20. In measurement, change to hole length. Okay. Bring to isometric. Select this plane as sketching plane. Invoke create sketch. From create, take project. Select the arc and the line. Okay. Now we will offset. Select this and offset it to distance 12. Okay. Now take line tool and connect the end of the arc to this offset. And from here to this. Okay. From solid, take extrude feature. Select this profile. And we are going to extrude it to distance 5. Okay. Now we will give fillet. Invoke fillet feature. Select this edge and fillet of radius 10. Add one more To this edge also we'll give fillet of radius 10. Okay. From create, invoke mirror feature, object type features. From timeline, select extrude and fillet feature. In mirror plane, select the top plane. Okay. Yes. Now the features are mirrored. Next, we will select this face as sketching plane. Take line tool, and from here you can draw a triangle. Okay. Now this distance is 6.2, and from here it is 3. Okay. Now from this point to this point, the height is 3.2, and this distance 2.5. Okay. Now from solid, invoke extrude feature, select the profile, and to this direction we will cut it all. Okay. Now we can pattern this feature. Invoke rectangular pattern, object type features. From timeline, select this extrude. Axis, this edge, and to this direction. Quantity is 12. Distribution is spacing. Distance minus 6.2. Okay, in axis 2 we'll change to 1. Okay. Yes. Next we'll select this face as sketching plane. Invoke circle tool. Horizontally from origin, draw a circle of diameter 45. Now from origin to center of the circle, we will give distance 20 and give horizontal constraint. Yes. Now we can extrude. Invoke extrude feature. Select the profiles. We can extrude it to distance 180. Okay. Next from create, take thread, select this face, and you can accept the default setting. Opt modeled. Okay. Now select the right face as sketching plane. Take line tool, make it construction line, and from origin draw a center line. From create, take 2-point rectangle, and here draw a rectangle. Dimension from center line to this line it is 11.25. And width is 20 and length 60. Okay. Then this distance it is 10. Yes. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Invoke mirror feature. Select this rectangle, mirror line, this center line. Okay. From solid, invoke extrude feature. Select these profiles and extrude cut to this direction. Distances minus 180. OK. Now select this face as sketching plane. From create, slot, take center to center slot, and here you can draw a slot. Distance, radius is 10, length is 140. Now from this to this, distance is 20. Okay. Also from here, this distance is also 20. Now the sketch is fully constrained. From solid, invoke extrude feature, select the profile and extrude cut it to distance minus 1. OK. Now invoke fillet feature, select this edge and here we'll give fillet of radius 2. Yes. Now we can mirror it. From create, invoke mirror feature, object type features, from timeline, extrude and fillet feature. Mirror plane, take the top plane. This plane. OK. Now the features have mirrored. Next we'll give appearance. Take render workspace, invoke appearance. Here we'll get all the materials and we can also choose color. In metal, take iron cast. OK. Next we can render. In canvas render, now the component started rendering. Yes, here we can see the rendering is finished. If you want to capture the image of the component, from here you can. Now we'll go to design workspace. We have successfully designed the movable jaw, ensuring precise dimension for smooth adjustment and strong grip. This component is essential for friends' versatility and functionality. Stay tuned for the next part. We will continue assembling more components.